Hello. So today I found this really cool Linux command called the change attribute command, and this command is so cool. Well, it got me questioning it because it basically has some quirks that got me to ask some questions. And to demonstrate that real quick, I'm going to create a new file called file X. So I have this file X, it's a normal file, but with the change attribute command I can use the plus operator and introduce a series of attributes. It could be like this, but the one that most concerns me, or the one that's the focus of this video, is the I attribute, which when introduced basically adds this immutability to this file. Let me do it on file X. So I'm going to need sudo to accomplish that, so it's done. And if I list my files, I have file 1, file 2 and file X. And if I were to list the attributes of all the files here, well, I was experimenting with file 1 and 2, but as you can see, all the files have this I attribute right here. What that means is these files are basically immutable, and that you can't change their properties. Most of their properties, you can't delete them, you can't rewrite them. That is, you can't open them in write mode and make changes. And if they were executable, so you won't be able to execute them. So that's really cool. And just for example, if I were to do sudo remove file X, you see I can't remove it. The only way to remove it would be to use the same command and remove the attribute. Let's say file X. Again, I need sudo to do that. And once it's done, I can remove file X, as you can see. And one other cool thing is, it's the person who introduces this attribute that's the only person who can revoke it. It means if you are in a domain and let's say another person had root privileges, that person won't be able to make changes to that file even though they were root. So let me know, what do you think about the change attribute command? Did you know about it, and have you used it in any way? So that's it for this video, and see you in the next one.